There's Aiden on the escalator thing. Sideways. Look at him. He's just standing there. Aiden, say hi! You say hi? Oh, it's people. Alright. Aiden, slow down. Here we go. Let's see what happens when he gets to the edge. Careful. Careful. Hop up on. Hop up. Woo! Good job. You go back that way? Go. Careful. Careful. Oh. Is it fun? So now we have something to do to kill time. Found something that he likes. Careful. Woo! One more time? Wow. Alright. Hey, say bye-bye. Yeah, happy say bye-bye. Bye-bye.